Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome to our website which is entitled Bukidnon Bedwork Handcrafted Treasures. So, explore with me together with my team, Windilyn, Anavi, Missy, and Glenn, which is the maker of this website. So, next please. Let me give you the brief background of our website. Welcome to Bukidnon Bedwork. We are thrilled you here discover a stunning collection of handcrafted jewelry, lovingly created by skilled artisan from the beautiful province of Bukidnon here in the Philippines. Each piece is unique, reflecting generation of traditional and artistry. Browse our easy to navigate online store where you can find a perfect necklace, earrings, bracelet, or even other necessary to complement your style. We've made this very simple shopping store and secure your orders so you can find your treasure in just a few clicks. Plus, by supporting our artisans or our artists, our local artists here in Bukidnon, you're directly contributing to the preservation of their cultural heritage. So begin shopping journey and find something beautiful today. Next, please. What is the commitment of this website? So our first commitment is ethical sourcing, preserving cultural heritage, not just here in the province of Bukidnon, but to the entire Philippines. We're showcasing the beautiful artists created handcrafted materials that originate from our indigenous people here in the province. We are committed to sourcing our jewelry ethically, ensuring that the artists or the art receive for fair compensation for their work by preserving traditional techniques and materials. We aim to sustain the cultural heritage of the indigenous communities here in the province of Bukidnon. Our next community commitment on this website is custom design, unique creations. Create your unique jewelry design with our artisans, our artists. We work